This is how a Pinacho ML lathe should be anchored to the floor in a fixed position. If the floor has a light base, a previous foundation is recommended. If the lathe base is solid, the anchoring can be done directly with bolts. Conventional Pinacho lathes are equipped with special steel platens only suitable for solid base floors. To make the foundations when the base is light, we will make square holes of 200 mm on each side and 250 mm deep approximately. We must fix reinforcing bars to suitable platens for this type of foundation. We place the reinforcing bars attached to the plates in the holes, aligning them with the centers of the leveling points. The distance between tightening divises is specified in the technical manual of the lathe. We fill the holes with concrete so that the plates are perfectly fixed to the floor after hardening. Lift the machine from the floor and fit leveling divises into each leveling point from below. Once this is done, we will fix the locking nuts on each rod of each tensioner of the lathe. Gently lower the machine onto the platen that has been forged on the floor until it matches the bases of the rods of each tensioner. The lathe is ready to be leveled.